Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Trump Media and Technology Group reported a third quarter loss of $54.8 million despite holding Bitcoin worth $1.3 billion. The firm behind Truth Social saw its losses widen from $19.3 million a year ago as costs climbed, with revenue slipping to $972,900. Now, the company held 11,542 Bitcoin as of September 30 and earned $15.3 million from Bitcoin options alongside $33 million in unrealized gains from its Kronos holdings. So CEO Devin Nunes said the firm's massive Bitcoin treasury secures its financial future and supports expansion efforts. 5 spot XRP ETFs are now listed on the Depository Trust and Caring Corporation website, indicating possible market debut this month. The listings include Franklin Templeton, Bitwise, Canary Capital, 21 Shares, and Coin Shares funds. So Franklin Templeton recently updated its S1 filing with US SEC to fast-track approval, while Bitwise submitted its final amendment. Now, analysts expect multiple XRP ETFs to launch simultaneously as US Senate's funding approval enables the SEC to resume normal review operations. Ledger, the Paris-based hardware wallet maker, is considering a New York listing or a private fundraise next year amid soaring demand for crypto security. CEO Pascal Gauthier told the Financial Times that capital for crypto is in New York today. Ledger is on track for record 2025 revenues in triple-digit millions, securing around $100 billion in customer crypto assets. The firm competes with Trezor and Tapchim in a market shaped by rising security breaches, which have already cost investors $2.17 billion this year. Digital asset treasury companies have invested $42.7 billion in cryptocurrency so far in 2025, with $22.6 billion deployed in the third quarter alone, their strongest quarter on record. So, according to CoinShares, Bitcoin-focused DATCOS dominate with $30 billion in BTC purchases, representing 70% of total spending, while Ethereum Treasuries followed with $7.9 billion, mostly in August. So, Altcoin DATCOS accounted for $10.8 billion of Q3 investments, and Strategy remains the largest DATCO, holding $70.7 billion in Bitcoin, or 3.05% of the total BTC supply. Kazakhstan plans to create a state cryptocurrency reserve by 2026, valued between $500 million and around $1 billion. The initiative will use assets seized from crimes and state-run mining operations to fund the reserve. Instead of directly holding cryptocurrencies, Kazakhstan aims to invest in ETPs and blockchain-based businesses. A National Bank Governor, Timur Suleimanov, said that seized Bitcoin worth $106,112 will help form the foundation. And President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev has directed the speedy implementation, aligning with new crypto regulations and licensing reforms to strengthen the country's digital economy. Gujarat CID crime has uncovered a 200 crore crypto racket involving cross-border transfers to Pakistan through mule accounts and digital wallets. And police arrested a Surat resident, Chetan Gangani, accused of transferring 10 crore via his Bitget account to Pakistan-linked wallet. He earned a 0.10% commission per transaction. Investigators found 100 mule accounts used in 386 cybercrime cases across Gujarat. And these include scams like digital arrest and online loan frauds. Authorities believe 29 crore of crypto in the Pakistan wallet originated from Gujarat alone. Rothschild Investment and PNC Financial Services have disclosed holdings in the volatility share Solana ETF, signaling growing institutional interest in Solana. Now, Rothschild reported 6,000 shares worth $132,720, while PNC Financial holds around 1,453 shares valued at $32,150, according to SEC filings. So, other top holders include Heck Capital Advisors and Belvedere Trading, and Solana ETFs, including Bitwise and Grayscale products, have recorded $336 million in inflows over the last 2 weeks. While analysts see Solana's $150 level as key support, with the TD sequential indicator flashing a buy signal. XRP is poised for a major week as Canary Capital prepares to launch its XRP ETF on November 13, potentially boosting the token's value. Canary recently removed the dealing amendment in its SEC filing, clearing the final hurdle for approval. So, other XRP ETFs from Franklin Templeton, Bitwise, and 21 Shares are expected later in November. At Ripple's Will conference, experts said mid-November could be pivotal for XRP. The Rex Osprey ETF already recorded a $37.7 million in first-day trading, marking 2025's strongest ETF debut. Ethereum has reached a record 24,192 transactions per second, driven by the new Layer 2 protocol Lighter, which alone handles around 4,000 TPS. The surge also led to $32 million in ETH burn, with 9,463 tokens destroyed over 30 days, according to On-Chain HQ. So analysts credit high Layer 2 activity on base optimism and arbitrage for the milestone. Co-founder Vitalik Buterin celebrated the progress, saying, Ethereum is scaling as the network handles more transactions while reducing supply pressure. Over $190 million worth of altcoin tokens are set to unlock this week, including projects like Aptos, Linea, and Ether, according to analytics dashboards. These token releases could impact liquidity and trigger price swings across the market. Major unlocks include APT, ENA, and OP, among others. Analysts say past unlocks often lead to temporary sell pressure. Investors are watching key allocations to assess short-term volatility as large token supplies hit circulation simultaneously. That's all in the bulletin today. Keep watching 3 TV for more such updates, and do log on to our website www.3versetv.com or scan the QR code.